New thinking, new possibilities embodies the essence of SI Group. The changes we have experienced over the past months and the way we have adapted and moved along with great zeal. SI Group has gone through many changes over a period of time. But what kept us strong is the way we welcome new thinking each time and our quest for new possibilities to be better every day. This relentless quest helps us to stand strong for us and for you. Every organization has its own story to tell when it comes to their thought process. And we have our story too. And the protagonists of our story are our values that we ardently live every day. Here, we are making you a part of our story on each protagonist and the way it plays its role to enable us to serve you better. Life throws us challenges and introduces us to hardships. But aren't those just testing our righteousness? Let us spend a few minutes with the noble soul of Mother Teresa, who walked through her generous path by breaking through the looming shadows of poverty, misery, and a lamentable life. Her conspicuous, generous thoughts on humanity, peace, and forgiveness, and relentless pursuit of doing the right thing. Under any circumstances or situations, awarded her the Nobel Peace Prize. Under any circumstance, the way you treat your people and the way you conduct yourself makes your reputation reliable for all. A very wise man, an artist, and a perfectionist who never settled for anything less than building great and high quality products that mark a revolution in its industry. The founder of Apple, Steve Jobs, once happened to speak a line: "Customers don't know what they want until you show it to them." He believed in captivating his customers by developing exceptionally innovative products and by creating positive experiences for them. It's all about proactively engaging with your customers' needs and demands to keep up the wheel of innovation going. The sensation that swooned billions of beating hearts and still remains in memory every time you watch an Olympic race. Usain Bolt. Winning was of utmost importance to Usain Bolt, for which he trained vigorously, and all that mattered for him was to reach the finish line. He suffered hamstring injury, which thereby tried to break his career. But with great will, he fought for it and came back stronger. All he stayed focused on was superior performance. Despite all the hardships, when on field, results matter.
Mahendra Singh Dhoni promotes himself in the batting order, and this is a World Cup final.
At this epoch, the focus is more important than talent. A renowned sportsperson whose name often appears on our minds, MS Dhoni. His cool-minded attentiveness, decision-making prowess, and preparation for the game, championed with prodigious gameplay skills, ensured his continuous victory. The captain, who led India to the World Cup victory once again, proved that it's the positive intent that matters when it comes to managing expectations, be it for peers, colleagues, sponsors, customers, bosses, or tough demands. The true hero of nation, an aerospace scientist who was the project director of India's first satellite launch and later served the country as 11th President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. From modest beginnings to achieving the highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, his contribution in modernizing government and space technology is exceptional and inspirational. And that's where the essence of Reach Beyond Possible is. Facing failure and learning from it, along with not missing an opportunity of celebrating success too, puts you ahead of everyone in the game. The Bollywood superstar, Big B. Amitabh Bachchan inspires us about Kaizen, or the law of ritualistic continuous improvement, which suggests us to improve by just a little bit every day. No matter how much you progress, there is always going to be room for further improvement. Amitabh Bachchan always had the zest to do best in his craft, and he inexorably strived to improve with every passing day, with every role he did. When we look at Amitabh Bachchan's journey, his actions have always exemplified his commitment towards change. His will to adapt to the change with changing times makes him the real superstar of Hindi cinema. The greater the glory in overcoming it. We all were born with some strength, and we all face challenges, which we ought to embrace. If you can imagine it possible, you are the only one who could make it possible. This epic personality, J.K. Rowling, sank into a deep, grieving depression. After going through domestic abuse and divorce, a single parent with no home continued writing in cafes and completed her first book. Even after 12 rejections, it was a grit combined with passion and perseverance which made Harry Potter happen. At SI Group, we all pride on our dedication towards these values. The values which torches the path towards our vision, unifies our workforce towards a common and shared endeavor to make it better for our customers, business partners alike. All of these values put together make us who we are. We are the SI Group. Substance inside.